everyone! Welcome to November's Happy Hour Kit, Fallen Leaves, to honor our fallen heroes. Today we will be making Cham-Yo-Self, which is a chamomile bee's knees. Bee's knees is a prohibition drink. It was made in prohibition era, and it was obviously sustaining back then. We don't really use it too often today. And it is made with lemon, honey, and gin. We're gonna up it a little bit. So in your kit, you guys have honey chamomile sour syrup. We're gonna be using 2 ounces of that and 2 ounces of gin. So it's very simple, 2 and 2, and it's a martini. So let's get started. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rim our glass. So let's take our glass. I'm using a martini glass. You guys can use whatever glass you guys have. Doesn't matter. What I've done here is I've put a little bit of the simple syrup in this plate. And I've put a little bit of the rimmer on this plate. So we're going to take our glass and we're just going to roll the edge in the syrup. Or if it's big enough, you can just do this. Mine is a little bit too small, so I'm going to go around. Make sure it's wet. Next, we're going to take our rimmer powder and we're going to do the same thing. Beautiful chamomile rim. I'm going to put our glass to the side for now. Then we're going to take our martini shaker. If you don't have a martini shaker, that is totally fine. Anything that seals will be fine. We are just trying to emulsify the liquid and make it cold. We're not looking for anything else. We're not frothing. So anything that seals will work. But I'm going to teach you a technique with a Boston shaker, which is a 2-piece shaker liquid. First thing we do is we fill it with ice. A little baby tip there. We're going to take our simple syrup and we're going to add 2 ounces of Cham-Yo-Self Syrup. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of gin. Doesn't matter what kind of gin. If your gin is flavored, just make sure that it will go with the flavors of the chamomile and the honey and the lemon, which should be most gins. Next, we're going to lock the pieces together to make sure that it doesn't explode. I'm going to tap it. Make sure that it's closed. Don't whack it. We're going to go back and forth. Now to unlock it, an easy way is to put your hands on both sides, put your thumbs upwards, and just push. And it pops right up. Sometimes it's a second. There you go. And right up. We're going to strain this one. So if you don't have a strainer like this, you can use a colander or anything else. There you go, guys. The Cham-Yo-Self. Cheers. Oh, it's lovely. For any of you who've been with me since the beginning and tried the lavender honey one, it's very similar and it's just as smooth and delicious. This one, man. This one. And the rim is perfect. Who wouldn't enjoy this? After everything that's going on, I think we could all use to relax and enjoy a chamomile martini. My other 2 cocktails will be above me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the drinks in the comments. Subscribe to my website to see what's going on. I'm sometimes throwing out some new things. I've got some great ideas coming for the holidays. You know, keep an eye out. Love you guys. Bye.